Hi guys, so today we are at the park, just chilling. Ayan si Erin and Dada. And it's July... 今日って何19日? July 20th, Saturday. So ayan yung park. This is where we usually go during weekends kapag maraming tao sa ibang lugar. And this is where we go kasi may river siya na pwede magdaro si Edith. And she likes it here. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung park. This park is called Takinoue Park. And ayun sila. So that is the parking lot. And that's where we are. And Takinoue means Taki means falls. Ue means above. So above the Taki Falls Park. So ayan, papakita ko sa inyo yung park. Gustong-gusto namin dito sa park na to kasi kukunti lang yung tao. And may river siya. It's very peaceful and quiet. You know, parang, you know, tahimik lang yung buhay. And that's the toilet. And then silang toilet. And mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung bridge. Sa may bridge, meron nakikita kang falls. May falls doon. Maganda siya. Lalo na kapag autumn, meron siyang yung mga leaves. Ito, magiging red yan or either like yellow or orange. I don't know. Depende sa tree na to. So, let's take you to the bridge. And let's see the falls. So right now, here's Hokkaido. It's summer. It's July. Usually, kapag summer, it's very hot. But since we're living in Hokkaido, it's not too warm. It's just, you know, perfect. Kapag mornings and night, malamig na siya. But during daytime, syempre mainit siya. Summer nga, diba? So yeah. As you can see, usually dito talaga sa Japan ng mga park. Maliban lang sa weekends and holidays, ganyan talaga siya. Wala ka makikitang tao. Bihira lang. Maybe siguro itong park na to, medyo malayo siya. Hindi siya malapit sa city. It's countryside. We're living in a countryside, so yeah, wala talagang tao. And so this is the bridge what I'm talking about. Kanina yung sinasabi ko. So this is the bridge na sinasabi ko kanina. And I'm gonna show you right now the falls. Mainit. But mainit pero maraming dahon and trees. So kasi mga malilimlim, hindi siya ganun kainit. Ano daw? So yeah, ang ganda ng view. Oh my God, ako lang yung tao. So this is the view. Ang ganda, no? Yan. Mas maganda siya kapag ano. I mean, maganda rin naman siya ngayon. Pero every season, kanya-kanya siya ng color. Different colors. Since it's summer, it's green. And next will gonna be autumn. So magiging brown siya, red, yellow, orange, yan, ganyan. Maraming colors. And then winter, it's gonna be, ayun nga, winter, diba? Snow. And then spring again, sakura, cherry blossom. It's gonna be like all pink in here. Yan, ang ganda. So I guess yung sinasabi nilang falls, yan, one. And then there's another falls right there, two. So, ayan guys, yung view. As you can see, ang ganda ng view. Ayan. pwede kang bumaba doon. Meron way. Pwede rin bumaba doon. Meron ding way doon. You can enjoy the woods. Walking in the woods. Yung parang deck. Yun. But you can also enjoy wala lang. Yung lupa. Yan. Yan. So this is the bridge. It's the falls. So that was the view of the bridge. From the bridge. Ang ganda. Wait lang. Parang may amin dito. Yan. Sunlight. Wait lang. Ayun. Ala, asan na yun? Ala, hindi ko na makita. So, ayan. So, I'm gonna show you. Ay. Ano nakita ko siya ulit kanina? Ayan. Diba? So, pag sa malilim, hindi siya mainit kasi basta may hangin. Yan. Hindi siya ganun kainit. So, let's check then kung ano nang ginagawa nila. So, that's the park. Lahat ng park na pinapakita ko, lagi walang tao, no? Ako lang ba pupunta sa park na walang tao? Okay, I'm gonna show you my way. This is my way. Pabalik sa kanila. And that's the river. Ayan, hanggang dun, river yan. Yun lang. Saan na ba yan? Yan. Hanggang dun ka lang. Ay, hindi siya ma-zoom. Hanggang dun ka lang. May limit siya. I'm gonna show you my way. Ang bango kasi ang bango ng puno. Ito. Ayan yung tree na yung sa mga auto nakikita nyo na nagiging red. Not everything turns into red. Sometimes it turns to yellow. And sometimes it turns to orange. Ayan. Oh! Hibi na stress. Stress ka, girl. Are you stressed? Erin? Ay! Ready, action! Go! Nakasabit ka. Mochi ne.
Like it.
Yuck.
What?
What's that?
Huh?
Ano yan? Yay! Yay! Init?